Struggling with joint pain, swelling, or stiffness is a challenge many adults face as they age, especially after 60. If you've noticed your joints aren't as flexible or pain-free as they used to be, you're not alone. The golden years often come with a natural decline in collagen, the critical protein that acts as the building block of healthy cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. Collagen is what keeps our joints cushioned, strong, and resilient. As its levels decrease, our joints become more susceptible to wear and tear, leading to discomfort, reduced mobility, and the daily frustrations of swelling and stiffness. But there is good news. Your choices at the dinner table can make a powerful difference. Nature provides us with a wealth of foods that can naturally boost collagen production, soothe inflammation, and help your joints feel younger, more flexible, and pain-free. Science has shown that what you eat can be just as effective as expensive supplements, sometimes even more so, when it comes to restoring joint health and keeping you moving comfortably. Let's explore 17 collagen-rich foods, each one backed by nutritional science, that can help you rebuild your body's natural scaffolding, reduce inflammation, and support joint repair. By understanding how each food works and incorporating them into your meals, you can experience real relief and regain the freedom to move with ease. First, let's start with a time-honored staple, bone broth. This savory, nutrient-packed liquid has been enjoyed across cultures for centuries, and for good reason. When bones are slow-cooked over hours, the collagen, gelatin, and powerful amino acids locked inside are released into the broth. These nutrients are then easily absorbed by your body. Collagen and gelatin both help to rebuild worn cartilage, the smooth tissue that cushions your joints. Amino acids like glycine and proline, abundant in bone broth, are essential for synthesizing new collagen. A warm cup of bone broth isn't just comforting, it's a healing elixir for your joints, supporting repair and reducing the aches and pains of aging. Next on our list is chicken skin. While it may have gotten a bad reputation in the past, chicken skin is actually a rich source of type 2 collagen, the very form of collagen that makes up our cartilage. Consuming moderate amounts of chicken skin, especially when it's from organic, pasture-raised chickens, delivers the building blocks your joints crave. Including chicken skin in your soups, stews, or as part of a roasted dish can help replenish the collagen that time has worn away, giving your joints a fighting chance to stay strong and flexible. Moving from land to sea, fish with skin, such as salmon and sardines, offer a powerful dose of marine collagen. Unlike collagen from land animals, marine collagen is made up of smaller peptides, making it especially easy for the body to absorb and put to use. Not only does fish skin provide collagen, but fatty fish like salmon and sardines are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties, which means they help reduce the swelling and stiffness that can make movement difficult. By enjoying fish with the skin on, you're fueling your joints with both collagen and a potent anti-inflammatory punch. Lean red meats, such as beef or lamb, also play a vital role in joint health when consumed in moderation. They are rich in amino acids like glycine and proline, which are foundational for collagen synthesis. These amino acids provide the raw materials your body needs to build and maintain strong connective tissues. Look for grass-fed or pasture-raised options, as they tend to have higher levels of these beneficial nutrients and fewer inflammatory compounds than conventionally raised meats. Let's not forget the bounty from the ocean, shrimp and shellfish. These seafood options are more than just a treat for your taste buds. Shrimp, oysters, and other shellfish are excellent sources of trace minerals like zinc and copper. These minerals are vital cofactors in the body's collagen production process. Without adequate zinc and copper, your body simply can't make collagen efficiently. By including a variety of shellfish in your diet, you're not only enjoying delicious meals, but also giving your joints the minerals they need to repair and thrive. Eggs, especially the whites and yolks, are another powerhouse for joint health. They contain several amino acids that serve as the building blocks for collagen, including proline and glycine. But eggs deliver even more. The yolks are packed with vitamin D and biotin, both of which support healthy bones and connective tissues. Regularly including eggs in your diet can help shore up your body's ability to create and maintain the collagen that keeps your joints moving smoothly. Aged cheeses like Parmesan or Gouda might surprise you. These cheeses contain anti-inflammatory peptides that can help reduce swelling and promote joint regeneration. Aging increases the bioavailability of certain compounds in cheese, making them more effective at soothing inflammation and supporting collagen repair. When enjoyed in moderation, aged cheese can be more than just a flavor boost. It can be a smart addition to your joint health regimen. Brightly colored citrus fruits and berries are next on our list. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are all rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. Vitamin C acts as a catalyst, helping your body turn amino acids into strong, durable collagen fibers. These fruits are also loaded with antioxidants, which protect your joints from the damaging effects of free radicals that can break down collagen and accelerate aging. A bowl of mixed berries or a fresh citrus salad is not only refreshing, but also an excellent way to give your body the tools it needs to keep your joints young. Dark leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens, are a treasure trove of joint-supporting nutrients. They provide magnesium, which is necessary for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including those involved in collagen production. Leafy greens are also high in vitamin K, which helps direct calcium to your bones and away from your joints, reducing the risk of painful calcification. The fiber in these greens also supports healthy digestion and nutrient absorption, making it easier for your body to put all these powerful nutrients to work. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and bold flavor, offers a hidden benefit for your joints. It is particularly rich in sulfur, an essential mineral for the cross-linking of collagen fibers. This cross-linking process is what gives collagen its strength and resilience, so your joints can better withstand the stresses of everyday movement. Garlic also contains antioxidants that help protect collagen from oxidative damage. Adding garlic to your meals isn't just a way to enhance taste, it's a simple step towards stronger, healthier joints. Tomatoes bring more than just vibrant color to your plate. They are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps preserve collagen and fight the oxidative stress that can break it down. Whether enjoyed fresh in salads, cooked in sauces, or roasted for extra sweetness, tomatoes are an easy and delicious way to support your joint health. Coconut oil is another valuable ally. This healthy fat is a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to soothe swollen joints and protect collagen fibers from breaking down. Coconut oil can be used in cooking, baking, or even stirred into your morning coffee. Its medium-chain triglycerides are quickly metabolized, providing energy and supporting the repair of damaged tissues. Honey, especially raw and minimally processed varieties, offers antioxidants and trace minerals that support joint structure and help calm inflammation. Honey can be stirred into tea, drizzled over yogurt, or used as a natural sweetener in baking. Its soothing properties can also help ease the discomfort that often accompanies joint pain. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, Brazil nuts, and cashews are loaded with vitamin E, selenium, and healthy fats. These nutrients are critical for protecting collagen from oxidative stress and aiding in tissue recovery. A small handful of mixed nuts makes for a satisfying snack that's also working behind the scenes to keep your joints resilient. Sweet potatoes are another joint-friendly food. Rich in beta-carotene, manganese, and fiber, they deliver antioxidants that protect your joints from oxidative stress. Manganese is a cofactor in the development of collagen, helping your body efficiently produce this all-important protein. The fiber in sweet potatoes also supports gut health, ensuring you absorb the maximum benefit from every nutrient you consume. Green tea is a centuries-old beverage celebrated for its health benefits. It is especially rich in catechins, a group of antioxidants that help prevent collagen breakdown and improve blood flow to your joints. Regularly sipping green tea can help keep your joints lubricated, reduce inflammation, and slow down the processes that cause stiffness and discomfort. By now, you may be wondering how to bring all these powerful foods together into your daily life. The answer is simpler than you might think. With a few mindful choices, you can transform your meals into tools for healing and vitality. Start your day with a warm cup of bone broth or green tea, each delivering a unique blend of collagen-boosting nutrients and antioxidants. At breakfast, include eggs, perhaps scrambled with spinach or kale and a sprinkle of aged cheese, to lay a foundation of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. For lunch, consider a vibrant salad featuring dark leafy greens, cherry tomatoes, citrus segments, and a handful of nuts, dressed with olive or coconut oil and a touch of honey. When it comes to dinner, roasted chicken with the skin on or a fillet of salmon served with sweet potatoes and sautéed greens brings together a medley of collagen-supporting foods. For a savory boost, add garlic and aged cheese to your recipes. And for dessert or a snack, reach for a bowl of mixed berries, perhaps drizzled with a bit of raw honey. The beauty of this approach is that you don't need to drastically overhaul your diet or rely on expensive supplements. Many of these foods are likely already in your pantry or fridge. By simply prioritizing them and including them regularly, you can create a powerful, natural foundation for joint health. It's important to remember that while these foods can make a significant difference, they work best as part of a holistic approach. Staying well hydrated, maintaining a healthy weight, and staying gently active through walking, stretching, or low-impact exercises can all amplify the benefits of a collagen-rich diet. The synergy of good nutrition and a balanced lifestyle gives your body the support it needs to repair, regenerate, and thrive. You might begin to notice positive changes over time: less morning stiffness, easier movement, and a gradual reduction in swelling and pain. For some, the benefits come quickly. For others, it may take a few weeks or months of consistent effort. The key is to make these foods a regular part of your life, not just an occasional treat. If you have specific health conditions or dietary restrictions, consult your doctor or a qualified nutritionist before making significant changes to your diet. They can help tailor your food choices to your unique needs, ensuring you get the most benefit while avoiding any potential issues. Aging gracefully and comfortably is possible, and it starts with the simple act of nourishing your body with the right foods. Collagen-rich choices like bone broth, chicken skin, fish with skin, lean red meats, shellfish, eggs, aged cheeses, citrus fruits, berries, dark leafy greens, garlic, tomatoes, coconut oil, honey, nuts, sweet potatoes, and green tea are more than just ingredients. They are nature's medicine for your joints. By embracing these foods, you're not only supporting your joints, but also enhancing your overall health, energy, and vitality. Good nutrition is a powerful tool, and when you use it wisely, you can reclaim the freedom to move, play, and enjoy life without the shadow of pain or stiffness. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for a meal or snack, remember, every bite is an opportunity to build a stronger, more flexible you. Your joints will thank you, and you'll feel the difference with each step, stretch, and smile. Let the healing begin, one delicious, nourishing meal at a time.